Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a review on the Babyliss Tight Curls wand. So I received this today. I purchased it from ASOS for £25, I believe, and I am very excited to test it out. I thought I would do an unboxing on camera and then also do a hair tutorial. So I absolutely love curly hair. I always wear my hair curly. I currently use the GHD curling wand and I absolutely love this to create like really thick curls. What I do really want to test out is if I can get really big hair with really small curls. So I'm going to try and test this out. I saw a few pictures and I thought, yes girl, that is the one for me. So I'm going to open it and try it out. So it does come in quite a big box. And what you get in there is this mat right here, which is a heating mat, which is really good. So I currently have a really large GHD one, which I got on my curling tongue, and I was worried that this one wasn't going to come with one, but it does, which is really good. So that's handy. It also comes with a glove. So this is really quite cool because obviously you do not want to burn yourself when you're kind of curling your hair. It's very Michael Jackson, obviously. No. Yes, it comes with a glove, although it's very much like a mime as well. You know, all weird things. And then you've got your instructions, and then finally the curling tongue, which looks like this. It's really thin. So on the box it says auto shut off, on and off button, 2.5 meter swivel cord, heat glove, heat mat, and a 3-year guarantee. So yes, let's get started. I am so excited to see how my hair's going to look. It's either going to look lovely or absolutely disastrous. So I did warn Gary, he's gone to the pub, and I was like, you may come home to me with really big curly hair, just to let you know, in case it looks absolutely awful and you think, what have you done? Sorry, I'm trying to kind of unstrap this. I'm not going to use their heat mat because mine is a lot bigger and it just covers a lot more ground, and I don't want it to accidentally fall off. So it's currently flashing. If you can see it, it's flashing red. And it's got like min to max, so I'm going to put it on 7, I think. So while that's heating up, I'm just going to sort my hair out. Any new hair gadgets like curlers, straighteners, when they're brand new, they tend to smell when you first use them, like a really bad burning smell. Always freaks me out. Right, so before I even bother curling my hair, I'm going to put some heatener in. So my hair is 2 days old, so I haven't washed it for 2 days. So it's a little bit greasy, which is why I wanted to do it with my hair like this, because I know your hair works better, especially when curly, when it's got a bit more like natural hair grease in there. Well, that's what I kind of experience anyway. I love the smell of that. This is Umberto Gianni, by the way, if you guys want to check it out. It's called They're Frizzy. It's lovely. Now that I've put all that in there, I'm just going to give it a brush and I'm just going to part my hair. Right, so if you see me looking to the side, it's because I've got a mirror there, which just helps. So I'm going to use the heat glove just in case, because I do not want to burn myself. So now I can see that it's stopped flashing, so it must be ready to use. So I'm just going to part my hair. So what I'm going to do is just take small strands. I'm just going to take it and just wrap the hair around the wand like so. So that is the first curl. It's awfully tight. It's an awfully tight curl. Right, so now all of that is all curly, it's time to start loosening up the curls. Look how curly that is. That is absolutely crazy. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, take my fingers and just start running my fingers through the curls. Just gently, you don't want to make them too like crazy, but you want to try and loosen them up a bit so they look a bit more natural. Look at that. Oh, they're amazing. I am loving them. So this is how my hair's turned out. Honestly, I'm absolutely loving it. I keep looking in the mirror and I'm thinking, wow, it looks like I've got so much hair. But I honestly love it. It looks so wild, but I so love it. This colour's done an amazing job. I mean, seriously, amazing. I think it's hard to probably try and tame it so it looks a bit more normal, but I absolutely love the look of it. I think this curler is incredible. So it's just amazing, guys. I would definitely recommend this curler. I think it's absolutely fantastic, especially if you want these really big tight curls. Like if you want really big hair and you want loads of tight curls, this curler is incredible. I think it's perfect. I think it really does give you a great look. I think it's just fantastic and I couldn't recommend it more. I think Babyliss actually did a fantastic job. I even found it quite easy to work with. I mean, granted, it took me a lot longer to do my hair than it probably ever would with any other curler because it's so small and you do have to take your hair bit by bit by bit, which isn't so bad. I mean, if you're willing to do it, then great. Probably not best for in the mornings, but it is pretty awesome. My arms don't hurt, but I think it could be good exercise. I'll have muscles if I keep using this. And I think for £25, it's a bargain. I think it's fantastic. So yes, definitely a thumbs up for me, definitely recommended, and I'll put the link of where I found it on ASOS below for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial, guys, or this hair review. I'm gonna go and try and probably scare Gary with my new hairstyle. So yeah, fantastic. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.